friends, good morning. We are going for a bird count today, and 16th, 17th and 19th globally, all the birders are going around their backyard and then counting the birds. So we are participating in that. Today, as part of that, we came to a place called Narsapur, which is half Hyderabad, about 50 kilometers. And Narsapur is a reserve forest, and you will find a lot of birds over here. And let us see what is there in stock for us. And this is the jungle. This is a hot spot called Medalamma temple. There's a good forest and water bodies available near this temple, and we expect a lot of birds over here. So we are inside the jungle, just trying to spot as much as possible bird species possible. See, the jungle is so thick and morning it's so cold. In fact, smoke is coming from my mouth. Let's see what's there in this. We are from a group called Hyderabad Birding Pals. This is one of the largest group of birding enthusiasts. Today, dozens of people gathered together to take a part in this backyard bird count effort. Can you hear the sound of parakeets? Plum-headed parakeets they are. And all of us are kind of searching in every direction to see possible birds. We already spotted 5-6 varieties of beautiful birds in its habitat.
రైట్ సైడ్ గ్రౌండ్ ఆ పైన బర్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి రెండు, దాని కింద చూడు ఇంకో బర్డ్ హ్యాంగ్ అవుతుంది కింద, దాని కింద ఇవి పైకి వెళ్ళింది అదే బర్డ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళింది.
There's a small lake, and overflow of the water is what is seen here. This is a very nice ecosystem for various types of kingfishers, red stag, those kind of birds. So just searching them. But we are not alone. You can see some of the dogs over there. So wherever you go for birding, dogs also accompany you. In one way it disturbs the birds, particularly the one which sits on the ground. Anyhow, dogs also have its own space in the nature, so we tolerate and move on. So in this trip we spotted almost around 60 varieties of birds. Some of them I'll put the pictures over here, you can enjoy them. And this is the common kingfisher. While it is called the common kingfisher, it has uncommon beauty. Silver bill, Tickle's flycatcher in a different pose, Brahmini starling or rosy starling, various starlings or borders, mini-ghat, small mini-ghat, magpie robin, and a kind of flycatcher, Brahmini starling, some more Brahmini starlings, plum-headed parakeet female, plum-headed parakeet family, Iora, pygmy woodpecker, magpie robin, some flycatchers, Tickle's flycatcher, paradise flycatcher.